video. So basically, I've been saying this a lot. I'm going to explain the last 2 trades I took last week that have been altogether, guys. What would I say? How much did I make? Probably like what, 15 to 16% on these trades? Probably 20 on both these trades. I've done fucking well on these 2 trades. Okay, so before I start this video, I just want to announce something, guys. Comment GOWS, Geezer of Wall Street. Anyone that's gonna comment those videos, I'm gonna pick some people that I'm gonna put in the Telegram, right? So follow me on Twitter first and foremost, and I'm gonna put you in the Telegram. If you've got an FTMO, yes, I hate FTMO, but I can help you out. If you got an FTMO 5%ers account, funding talent, I'm gonna help you pass that for free. Yeah, I'm gonna help you pass that for free, and you're gonna be a lifetime member in there for free, fam. You know what I'm saying? So GOWS, comment that below. I want this content to reach as many people as he can. I'm doing something that's life transforming here. You know what I'm saying? In this video, I'm doing something that's very life transforming. I'm not giving away $100, bruv. I'm giving away money, funding account money, to the point where you are going to be very wealthy, fam. If you buy a 100,000 account or 200,000 pound account and you do well because of my ass, you're gonna be rich. So guys, please, yeah, GOWS. I want to select a few people from that comment. GOWS, like this though, like this with this emoji. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. So comment that below, and I will definitely, I promise you guys, I will, and follow me on Twitter as well. I'll put the link below. And follow me on Twitter as well. And once you follow me on Twitter, and then that way we can actually start. I'm ready to do this shit for people, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, first trade. I really want to talk about the trades that I took. Okay? I'm a swing trader. I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader. And I'm going to show you the evidence. Alright? Because I do screenshot my shit when I take the trades, bitch. I definitely do that. So, boom. I took Canadian yen, right? Here. And I was based on fundamentals research. So in the Telegram, if I give you the link and you join and whatnot, in the Telegram, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you access where I get my information, my sources, and I'm also gonna give you we're gonna do the research together, and we're gonna be sharing articles together, and we're gonna work out which currency is strong and weak together as a whole team. Okay. Together, okay, we're gonna work together in this thing. So comment below GOWS, guys. This is a big opportunity, not for me but for you too. So all of us are gonna work together and become like Wolf of Wall Street. You know what I'm saying? All right then. So let's get started. So I took the Canadian Japanese yen, okay, and my stop loss was not 77 pips. My stop loss was actually here. Oh gosh, let me get this out. So my stop loss was here around 21 pips, right? I can show you. I've got the evidence anyway. So my stop loss was 20 pips. So remember, I entered because of this little mini range that started forming there. And the trade, okay, I held it. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. What the fuck is that? I held it. Let me keep pushing up. Yeah. Where's this trade now? What is this that keeps coming up? Let me close that. Alright, so the trade pushed it to this level here. This is where we are. So on this trade, I made 16%. 16 motherfucking percent in this bitch. I closed it up there though because of certain news start coming in. When the NFP came in, I had to close that bitch. So now I'm looking for deeper pullbacks to come back in so I can get involved in this trade again. So I'm looking for pullbacks to come back in. Deep. I need deep pullbacks. I need a very deep pullback. I need pullbacks that look like this. Because the sentiment for the Canadian dollar is still pretty much strong. So I got 16% on that. You want the evidence? Okay, I'll show you the evidence. First of all, let's go to notifications on my Twitter. You know what I'm saying? I got some big famous person following me on Twitter now. He's an investor. You know when investors follow each other, man, we speak the same language and shit like that. He gets it and I get it. Should I follow him back? Yeah, I'm gonna follow him back. He a legend though. I'm gonna follow him back. Anyway, let's go back. Let's go back on the thing. Let's go back on the thing. Yeah, man, people are recognizing my thing now. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be well known. You know what I'm saying? I gotta start on this thing. You know what I'm saying? So, where was the trade? Canadian JPY. It was at 11%. When I took it, my stop loss, I moved it to break even. So that's the evidence that I took the trade. It's even dated 28/4/21. This was before May. No, hold on. It was before May. Yeah. So I've been holding it for a while. Swing trading gives you 18%. Do you know what I'm saying? Scalping is rubbish. Scalping is rubbish. It's for dickheads. I'm joking. So let's close that. The next trade that I took that was sweet, based on fundamental research again, because of the BOE tapering, was Euro sexy pound. Yeah. Shout out to my UK people, fam. Yeah. Brexit and that. Brexit versus the EU and that, basically. So I took Euro pound for sell BOC. The BOE came in talking about tapering. So I took the Euro pound for sell. My stop loss was around here, I think. It was 18 pips, I remember. 19, 20 pips. I'm not making this up because I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So I don't really care. I want to show you the evidence. I don't know. I should turn this upside down. We're gonna do the maths together of how much percentage I made. Let's not talk about the money that I made. So I'm not gonna talk. I don't talk about money. I talk percentage. I talk percentage purely. Don't get phased by the money. It's all about percentage. Percentage matters. Okay, so the trade is here. Okay, so 5.3%. I'm still holding this trade. This is where the trade is now. So I'm basing on where the trade is right now. So 16 plus 5, I'm bad at maths. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, I was right, 21%. 21%, that's what I made altogether from these trades. 21%, bitch, in weeks. Right, where's the evidence? Where is the evidence? This is where when I entered the trade, Euro pound. This is where I entered the trade for, still going in this bitch. So I entered Euro pound over there at the top there. So if I go back here, you can see here, this is why I entered the trade. So this is what I'm saying, guys. This is why I'm a sick trader, fam. So make sure that you comment GOSS like that, and then we are going to make a Telegram together, or a Telegram basically, where we can share hot information about the market and talk about it, and I'll direct you guys on how to use the sources and how to use the information in your favor. So these are my trades of the week. The watch list at the moment, I do have a watch list. I might as well go through that. I've got Euro pound again still on the watch list. I'm looking for deeper pullbacks coming in. I need the pullback to come back to this level here, or this level, the R3 level. I'm looking at Aussie yen as well for potential trade. I need buyers to come back into this market. I've got my eyes on this. Hot. I'm looking at the Canadian yen as well. I'm looking for the trade to come back to this level here, so I can take it for buys, or probably around this S2 level or S1 level. I don't really mind. I'll be eyeing up the trade. I'm looking at pound US dollar for more trades as well. So I'm looking for the pullback to come back to the S4 level here. The S4 level. If you don't know how to use the indicator, there's another video that I'm gonna attach on how to use these indicators. So I'm looking at the price to come back to the S4 level so I can take it for buys. And I'm also looking at the Almighty, the King of all kings, the Masters of all masters. It needs to load up though. I'm looking at, come on, man. What's going on? Oh, the internet's slow. What's going on? I'm looking at Euro USD. Euro USD, okay? Based on fundamentals again. The global recovery trade, guys. Remember, the global recovery trade. Let me refresh this. Gosh. It's wasting time. I don't like wasting time, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so another trade that I'm looking at again. Let's do another intro for this one. Yeah, the Almighty, the kings of all kings, Euro. Oh, still slow. What's going on? What is going on, man? What's going on with the chart? It's not loading. We're going through the Wi-Fi. It's hella windy in the UK at the moment, especially where I am. So yeah, I'm looking at Euro USD, guys. Follow my Twitter. You will see basically all the trades. I'm going to screenshot all the trades that I'm eyeing up, and you will see all the trades I'm eyeing up. So it's loaded now. Okay, let's try this now again. Okay, let's try this. It's not a long video. I don't want to do a very, very long video. I don't want to waste people's time. Oh, come on, man. This is ridiculous. Okay, here we go. Right. So the next trade I'm looking at the moment is Euro USD. Euro USD based on the global recovery and weak US numbers. But I have to be cautious because we've got CPIs coming in today, which could reflect a strong inflation, a high inflation in the US, which could send the US 10-year yields going up and the US dollar Japanese yen going up, and that would send the Dixie going up, and that would put strength in the US dollar and make the Euro USD weak. So I have to pay attention to the CPIs that are coming in today. So that's me done. I had to speak quickly. GOSS, like that, and then I'll put you in the Telegram. Follow my Twitter and I'll put you in the Telegram. Message me your details and I'll put you on the Telegram so we can do all this shit together as a whole motherfucking team. Yes, sir. Peace. Bomber clout.